Welcome to my new video, Quest Pro Legend. First of all, we are going to a great trick. Guys, first of all, I am telling one thing. Every tricks are not work to everyone. Please don't complain. It will be fake, okay? Guys, we are going to the video. We are opening the tricks and tricks of World Club Box Pro. It is true, I am not editing in this video. I don't know to edit in my video. I am taking gifts from the inbox. Yes, we got 1,76,000 guys. We are going to a trick. The trick is look. Oh my goodness, I did not research. No problem. The trick is look like me. Allison status. Oh my goodness, I did not do this trick will be not work I think. This is the trick used like this, okay guys. I am not thinking I am getting black. Tricks give the person I am not telling tricks will come from black. Trick only give the percentage to get black. Guys. He is defensive goalkeeper. Action is offensive. What? Guys. Okay. This is my trick side. Guys, we have first try. Who will be that? A black or gold or silver? My club animation has started. I thinking it will be. Oh, black. Who will be that? Alison Becker. Wow, Alison Becker in the first try, guys. It is sure black trick. Please try it. Oh my goodness, two blacks in one try. This is my lucky time, guys. Oh, Otamendi also. Nice. Wonderful, guys. I got a black in one try, guys. This trick is very super, guys. Oh, I have already get Alison. But no problem, guys. Do tricks like it. This time the trick will be not work. Then we will try another time. Guys. I has remind my trick. This like no. Oh my goodness, the trick has full spoil, I think. Please be of black. I want a black also, guys. I got Alison Becker in the first try. I like him. I want him. I want a goalkeeper, nice goalkeeper. Now I have Manuel Neuer. I did not like him because he is very bad form now. Guys, who will be hit in the second try? I thinking it's a black this time also. Konami, please be a black ball. Konami, please be a black ball. Can it be black? It's again to England. And it's not a black, it's a silver, guys. Then we want to research. If the trick is not working, restart one time. Then it will be work, I think. Look at Alison Becker's status like me. Guys, I am really come from Kerala. My last videos was in Malayalam, but it is a language from Kerala. But now onwards, foreigners were looking the videos, so I think to translate in English. Guys, please be eyes and oh, I thinking I do any mistake, right? Guys, this is a wonderful trick, guys. It is a trick from Pest Legend, not my guys. Pest Legend, he is nice guy. I thinking I spoiled the trick. But sometimes spoiling it will be work. I try something. Oh my goodness, the trick is fully spoiled. So who will be that? I am guessing who. Konami, please be a black ball. It's I think a bionic player. And it's again black. Guys, this trick is fantastic. Who will be that defender, I think. There is two blacks. No, one black only, guys. The trick is very nice, I think. In 3 try, we got 3 blacks. On my way. Guys, I am a big fan of ABB Pest Legends and Team Infinity. They are very good. Please subscribe their also channels and my channel also, guys. And comment and subscribe. Okay, guys. I think I can get a black. I am thinking I will get black this time. Oh my goodness, it is full spoiled. I think but I get a black ball. Konami, please be a black ball, Konami, please be a black ball, please. Please be a black ball, Konami. It goes to Italy. One more time black. What trick is, guys? Every time I am going back, guys. What is the hell? It is my fourth black sneaker. I don't should know his name. Guys, we are trying this trick. Not trying this time trick. Konami, please be a black ball. This is my wish, Konami. Please be not a black ball. Oh, no problem. Good team. Now we try trick. This is a fantastic trick, guys. Guys, please be a black this time also. I got 2 center backs and 1 midfielder. It's a black. Oh, the screen is not working, guys. We are drawing the trick very hard work. Konami will give any black? That is the question. Konami, oh, I did not restart. I thinking now. Konami, please be black ball. Please be Godin. I want Godin, Konami. No, this time it will be a gold. Guys, this is the last try we are doing. Last try, guys. Oh, sorry, I did not restart. If you don't get a black, please restart, guys. Alison Becker. You can your wish how to look Oblak and Allison status, guys. Not your wish is how Harrison or your wish, guys. But if you agree with me, you can try this trick. I am not telling you want to do this trick. Your choice how want to use or not use. And guys, we are going to the last try. Konami, please be a black ball. Konami, please be a black ball. Konami, please be a black ball. My wish. Oh, it's not Argentina. There is going. Who will be that? Not silver. Very club Boca Juniors. I am thinking three of them are not Boca Juniors. Guys, we are stopping our video. Before that, I want to see my team. My team defense is not good, but now I got some good defense, guys. Where is them? I have trio and all each. Yes, I got 3 or 4 defenders. Oh, sorry, 2 defenders. Alison Becker I got. Guys, we are stopping our video. Thank you for looking. Please subscribe, bell like and share and maximum comment.